Taking your startup global can unlock huge opportunities, but it also brings new challenges. In this lesson, we'll break down the essentials of internationalization and how to enter global markets strategically and effectively. Internationalization, or I-18N, starts with preparing your product and business to work beyond your home country. This doesn't just mean translating the language. It means designing for multiple time zones, currencies, formats, and cultural expectations from the ground up. Start with language. If your audience speaks multiple languages, localizing your content is key. Use professional translation tools or services to ensure accuracy. Avoid auto-translation. It can damage trust. Think beyond the UI. Emails, help docs, and customer support channels all need localization. Next, adapt your design. Text length varies between languages. Colors and symbols may carry different meanings. Date, time, and number formats differ globally. Build flexibility into your UX so it works seamlessly in every region. Global payments are another critical piece. Offer local currencies and popular regional payment methods. Tools like Stripe, PayPal, or Adyen can help manage multi-currency billing and compliance. Customer support must also evolve. Time zones and languages mean you may need to offer 24/7 support or hire reps in different regions. Create support content that addresses region-specific needs and consider tools that route tickets based on language or location. Legal and compliance rules vary widely by country. You may need to adjust privacy policies, terms of service, tax handling, and data storage practices to meet local regulations like GDPR or data residency laws. This is where consulting a local legal expert is worth the investment. Marketing strategy should be localized too. What works in one country may fall flat in another. Tailor your messaging, channels, and partnerships to each region. Don't assume global audiences behave the same as your home market. When choosing where to expand, start with data. Where are your signups coming from? Where's their existing demand? Focus first on regions where you already see traction. Expansion is easier when you follow your users, not just a market map. Build local trust by investing in community. Hire local ambassadors, join regional events, or create language-specific content hubs. People are more likely to adopt a product when it feels native to their world. Infrastructure matters too. As you scale, latency becomes an issue. Use CDNs and local data centers to keep your product fast and reliable worldwide. Pricing is another variable. Adjust your pricing strategy to match local purchasing power. A one-size-fits-all price point may work in some markets, but turn away users in others. Consider region-based pricing tiers or discounts. Internationalization is an ongoing process, not a one-time launch. Keep listening to users in each market. Iterate on localization. Expand your team's cultural fluency. The more globally aware you become, the more scalable your product will be. Done right, going global isn't just about growth, it's about resilience. A diversified user base can buffer against downturns in any one region. It opens doors to new talent, ideas, and partnerships. Let's prepare your startup to thrive around the world.